What I love about Worcester State is that the unity comes in so many different forms.
There's so many different people from different backgrounds, different abilities, different identities.
I have friends of all races, of all colors, and it doesn't matter who you are.
It's like we're one big family. It's amazing.
We're kind of like one community with one vision, common goals, and we come together, we work together to make those goals happen.
My path going to Worcester State, I was kind of like that quiet, shy kid, and I quickly over the past few years have evolved into a more well-spoken and outgoing individual. And I think I've really just came into who I am, and I'm extremely thankful for Worcester State for that.
Since it is a small campus and we have maybe 20 students in each class, everyone has each other's back. You're actually able to interact with the professors.
I never felt lonely, even during those crazy times, pandemic we had.
The professors were amazing because as we were adjusting, they were adjusting as well.
The faculty really helps us work towards making a place for those students in their individual identities.
That's what you expect out of it. You want people to help you get to where you want to be, and that's exactly what Worcester State's giving me.
I'm a double major. I'm in elementary education and English. I think Worcester State really prepares us. Both my parents are teachers, so without them and without the faculty, I don't think I would have all the tools I need to succeed to be a teacher. They have pushed me every step of the way, and they're the reason why I'm gonna be the great teacher that I'm gonna be one day, so yeah.
So many different opportunities are presented through this university.
I majored in computer science. I'm just excited to get into that professional world.
I think I want to work in a hospital with people with disabilities.
I do feel prepared and ready for the future.
If I had to say thanks to the faculty, this is what I would say. Thank you for having my back, and I appreciate it very much. I know it's been tough these past few years, especially with COVID going on, but it's been very helpful that you've been able to push me forward and have that connection between each other.
I just can't believe that I'm here right now. This degree isn't only for me, it's for all my family.
I made them proud, and that's the most satisfying feeling I can feel right now. It's amazing.
The sacrifices that they made and everything they had to go through, the blood, the sweat, the tears, is the reason I'm here walking across this stage. There's no other answer than that.